Alright, boys and girls, how are you doing today? This is your boy RC Combs Com here, and we're doing an unboxing video today. What do you think this could be? It's your boy RC Combs Com here, and let's see what it could be in here. Let's see what this bad boy is. Oh, it's a boat. Look at that boat, guys. Alright, so it's a boat here. Okay, so we got the boat. Alright. 17 power. As long as I can get it open for you guys, it'll be perfect. Is it taped anywhere? Oh yeah, that's why it's taped, my bad. I thought it wasn't taped on there. Alright. Unbox that. Let's put that over there. Sorry about that. And here's the inside. Oh, it goes open like the other one does. Like my other boat. Inside. Inside, guys. Sorry, I'm doing live stream too. That's why you see me looking the other way. Let's open this. Okay. Alright, there's the boat. That should fit on the trailer perfectly now, this boat. This boat should fit on the trailer way easier. Here's the manual. Which we don't care about that if you know what you're doing. Like I do. Okay. Let's get this. Oh, it's more taped. God dang it. Why do they tape stuff inside of stuff? Actually, let's dump everything out to show you. Here's the boat, guys. Like it? Is that it? I like how it don't have a rudder on it. I like how it has this better on the back. Okay, so let's dump everything out of the box. And we're going to be keeping this box just in case we need to have any problems. So, oh, the stand for the boat. Here's a stand for the boat, guys. Transmitter right here. It's not the best of one, but make deal with it. With the transmitter, make deal with the transmitter. Here's the radio right here. On and off right here. Pretty cool, ain't it? The radio here. Some stuff on here. It's pretty cool. Now, it comes with these AAA batteries here, which batteries you guys always see all the time. And then we have the remote here. This remote, okay. So let's move this out of the way now. Now I gotta open with this. I think this is a battery in here for the boat. Instructions, we don't need that. Let's just put that back in the box. Never know if we need this stuff in the box. It comes with an XT60 Spectrum battery. I mean, IC3, I mean, sorry. No, I thought it was XT60, hold up. What size battery is this? 3S. That's cool. That means it's going to be the best. It's a 3S battery. It's a 3S. We still have this battery here. Pretty cool battery. And the connectors are IC3s for a boat. See the connector to IC3. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but I don't know if you can see IC3 connector. You know what this is? This is probably the charger in here. Here's the battery, guys. Right here. This might be the charger. I know the charger somewhere. Where to put the... I just want to see what this is. Did I dump the charger out of it, or... Here's the charger. What the hell? That's odd. Here's the charger for it. Charger. Here's the charger it comes with, guys. This is the charger. The battery for the charger, dude. Guys, here's the charger and the battery for it. And so, last but not least, let's open this bad boy up. And see what's inside this boat. Did it lift it up all the way? Oh, is it taped or something here? It shouldn't be. So I'm gonna screw it more. How much more do you have to unscrew this thing? Here we go. Got it off. I like this for the rudder steering. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Pretty cool. And here's the boat inside. Has in the sides of water goes out of the boat when it goes in the motor to cool it down on both sides. Okay, guys, and here's the boat. How you turn it, guys? Right there with the stuff inside. And it's pretty cool. The pro boat. See the right here tubes, and it comes out of the comes out the side of the boat right here. It does. The water, it cools the motor down. Oh, the ESC is for in the motor. Cools it down and it goes through. It's pretty cool. And now let's put the battery in it and see if the battery has any charge on it. Come on. How do you turn this thing on? I guess there's no charge to the battery. There's nothing's coming on. Let me put... How do you open this? Do you hit a button to open this thing? For the batteries, or do you use a screwdriver? I think this is where the batteries go. Oh. What the hell? That don't take batteries. What the heck is this? Look, see that? UK apartment. Look at this. This is the weirdest transmitter ever. I guess you take this. I don't know. What battery is that in this thing? What the heck? Did the batteries go in this somehow? Does this pull out? Yes, this pulls out. This pulls out right here. Batteries going here, guys. This is the weirdest crap. So that pulls out. So this one in like this, right? Yeah, so we need batteries. The batteries. Where's that nice thing? Plus, two pluses there. It sucks it takes AAA though. sucky part. I'm not sure what way to go in. I think they go in this way. We'll figure it out, guys. Let's see if it even turns on. Looks like it's right. Come on, get in there, dude. Got it. Now let's put it in the transmitter. Maybe it'll work. That better work. If I don't have it in there like this. Like this. Is that right? That's backwards. Here it goes in like this. What the hell? I had it in there, but push it down. There we go. Now let's turn this on. This one works, guys, and let's turn the boat on. I hope it's on. What's that mean? Why is it beeping on me? Where's this? I see where it says on and off on here, but why are you beeping on me? It's dead. The whole battery's dead. That's gay. I thought it was supposed to come with a charged battery. Usually come with charged batteries. You have to charge this thing. Little wire comes with a little wire, guys. Charging is weird. So you plug this into the wall. This part, get like plug it in here like that. Same thing, guys. You plug it in here like this, and then now we're gonna put it on to the charger. You have to have a brick yourself to charge it. Like they don't give you bricks. Let the battery charge. I don't know how long it takes to charge though. We'll see. If that's not the case, then I'll have to send the boat back if it's not going to work. Something might be bad in the boat then, because the receiver don't light up when I turn it on or off. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. Well, here's the boat one more time. One more time for the boat. Let's put this back on. Put it in there. Is it going anymore? And here's a stand for the boat. Of course, a stand for the boat with the transmitter on it. Okay, that's the video, guys, for the boat. Peace out, like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy RC Comics Com, and I'm signing out. Peace out.